Hello everyone! In this video we will talk about the top 5 tips for the value of money. This will be a school to teach you about money. Tip 5. Money is just an arbitrary designation of value. It is not the value itself. Money is a touchy subject. This is because most of us, to some extent, associate much of our self-worth and identity with our work and the amount of money we earn. This is literally a market assessment of our skills and competition as a person, and therefore we all get a little intrigued and fidget in our chairs whenever it comes to banknotes. Here I would like to tell you about one story for how the day graduate complaining to their professor about how hard life was after college. They complaining about long hours of work, demanding bosses, competition in the labor market, and the fact that everyone around them only cares about money. After a while, the professor got up and made coffee. He took out 6 cups, one for each student. 3 of them were cheap disposable cups, and the other 3 were made from the finest china. Then he invited everyone to stand up and help themselves. A few seconds later, burdening began. "Wait, why do you have to get this cup?" "No, let me take it. I came here." "No way, I came here first." The students laughed and deceived each other affectionately. Quit competition among friends. When the children finally sat down, the professor smiled and said, "See, it's your problem. You all argue about who gets that what to drink when all you really need is just coffee. Do you guys get the point? We give false value to our wealth, and this is one of the reasons why you cannot make a lot of money." Tip 4. Money is not the reason for the wealth of life. This is the effect. Likewise, when people assume that money is the cause of their problems, they are actually wrong. Usually, money is the most visible effect of their problems. In fact, this is simply a consequence of the right actions, which were not conceived with the aim of becoming rich. Guys, tell me honestly, what is the money for you? How often do you blame money for your problems? Tip 3. Money is a reflection of the values and intention of the owner. Most people make the mistake of striving to be rich in order to have a lot of things or achieve some kind of fame or status. I could spend the entry limit on my credit card, buying VIP tables in Vegas all weekend and taking selfies with Ivanka Trump, but that won't make me rich. On the contrary, it would make me a jack and a loan stock. There is an old saying from Fight Club: "What you earn ultimately earns you." Materialism in general is a psychological trap. No matter how much you earn, how much you buy, how much you earn, the disease never goes away again. In the meantime, you work longer, taking more risk, investing more and more parts of your life in it. Tip 2. Money is neutral. Experience is scarce. It is just a vessel for the exchange of experience between two people. You make money by creating experience for others. You then give your money to others to gain experience in return. Most of the value of any purchase is not measured in money. When you buy food, you are, in a sense, buying a satiety experience. You acquire your own temporary health and happiness. When you buy a trip with your family, you gain the opportunity to experience something new together and strengthen your relationship with each other. When you buy a new suit for work, you are not just buying a fabric or brand, you are buying the social signal that you put into yourself, showing that you take yourself seriously and others can rely on you. Therefore, you are sitting here should value the experience, not the money that you receive. Tip 1. Money is a way of endless pursuit of wealth. Stress tickles. Some people make money through a lot of stress. They work at a high level or in a role where they are constantly criticized or threatened. They tend to spend their money primarily on stress relief to compensate for the hardness of their work. These people find themselves in a constant cycle of generating and relieving stress, while at the same time not acquiring much wealth. The way to get out of these cycles, the way to avoid the endless pursuit of the dollar, and the way to create new wealth is to stop using money as your measure of success. Just as there are many definitions of value, there are many definitions of success. Money is often the vehicle for success, but rarely it is success itself. The real value of money arises when we use it as a tool for our success and not as an end in itself. When we are trying to achieve experience and values that we feel are more important, when we use them to create innovative businesses, when they fuel our creativity or fuel our community, when they support, they are affecting our family, loving our friends, or providing our personal health and satisfaction. The real value of money arises when we look beyond it and see ourselves better, more valuable than we are at the moment. It is not about accumulating material, but about accepting experience, when it comes not about a mark, but about the coffee in it. This was the school's tips to teach you about money. We are not taught this in our schools. Therefore, if you are interested, I will shoot another video. Bye bye, see you later.